Gain an authentic and nuanced understanding of one of the world's largest religions. With over 1.8 billion adherents comprising almost a quarter of the global population, Islam is a major world religion, yet one that is deeply misunderstood by many. In this engaging question and answer book, renowned scholar Dr. Atef Ahmed draws from decades of research to shed light on the beliefs, practices, history, and cultural expressions of Islam. 100 Questions and Answers About Islam serves as the perfect introduction for anyone seeking to learn more about the faith in an objective, straightforward manner. Divided into concise but detailed sections, Dr. Ahmed methodically unpacks the 5 pillars and 6 articles of faith forming the foundations of Islam, the Quran, Hadith literature, and examples of Islamic jurisprudence, the life and teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, theology and spiritual practices like Sufism, the spread of Islam across the world and growth of diverse Muslim cultures, Islam's stances on contemporary social and ethical issues, gender dynamics and the role of women in Islam, similarities and differences between Islam's major sects, schools of thought, and religious movements. Challenges facing Muslims in today's globalized society. Tackling commonly harbored misconceptions while explaining essential concepts and context. 100 Questions and Answers About Islam serves as a compelling primer for non-Muslims and a worthwhile refresher for adherents of the faith. Dr. Ahmed writes with scholarly precision, yet in an impartial, easy-to-follow style, open to multiple viewpoints and perspectives. Whether you're grappling with complicated doctrinal issues, customs around diet and dress, or efforts toward interfaith dialogue, this book has inspirational yet practical answers. Pick up your copy today and enrich your religious literacy on the complex and profound religion of Islam.